Imagine a future where computers can solve complex problems that are currently unsolvable, and they can do it at speeds that are unimaginable with today's technology. This is the promise of quantum computing, and it's getting closer to reality thanks to a groundbreaking breakthrough. Researchers have successfully used artificial intelligence, AI, to accelerate quantum computing experiments. But here's where it gets really exciting. AI is being used to assemble atoms, the building blocks of quantum computers at unprecedented speeds. A team of scientists led by physicist Jianwei Pan at the University of Science and Technology of China has demonstrated how an AI model can calculate the optimal arrangement of neutral atoms, a challenge that has puzzled researchers for years. And this is the part that's really impressive. Their system can rearrange up to 2024 rubidium atoms into precise grid patterns in just 60 milliseconds, a feat that would take a human an eternity to achieve. To put this into perspective, a previous attempt without AI took a full second to arrange just 800 atoms. The researchers even showcased the model's speed by creating an animated image of Schrödinger's cat using laser light to guide the atoms into patterns. But what makes this breakthrough so significant? Neutral atom arrays are one of the most promising approaches to building quantum computers, as they can maintain their fragile quantum states for relatively long periods. The AI model was trained on different atom configurations and patterns of laser light, allowing it to quickly determine the most efficient hologram needed to reposition atoms into complex 2D and 3D shapes. Experts in the field are hailing this breakthrough as a major milestone, with physicist Mark Saffman at the University of Wisconsin-Madison noting that producing holograms for larger arrays usually requires intensive calculations. The ability of AI to handle this process so efficiently has left many colleagues really impressed. But here's the question: what does this mean for the future of quantum computing? Will AI become an essential tool in the development of quantum computers? And if so, what are the implications for fields like cryptography and optimization problems? And this is the part most people miss. The potential for AI to accelerate quantum computing experiments could have far-reaching consequences for fields beyond computer science. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI and quantum computing, we may uncover new and innovative applications that we can't even imagine yet. So what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of AI to accelerate quantum computing experiments? Do you think this breakthrough will have a significant impact on the development of quantum computers? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you like to learn more about AI, tech, and digital diplomacy? If so, ask our Diplo chatbot for more information.